y'all, I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about back to school outfits. And today I have partnered with JCPenney to show you how I go back to school shopping. As many of you know, summer is sadly ending and back to school is here. Back to school season is here officially, and school's about to start in a week or two, and it's time to go back to school shopping. I know a lot of y'all might dread it, but I have a solution for y'all. Alright, so chill out and stay tuned. So as many of you know, I am a mother of 3 boys, so I have 2 that are going to school this year. Liam is going to kindergarten for the first time. He's never been to school before, so it's definitely going to be a new experience for him. And Princeton is going to be going to 4th grade, so he's a big boy, he's the OG, he already knows what to expect, and he's not new to school. But back to school shopping can be a little frustrating for parents. I know, trust me, I know. But it doesn't have to be stressful. So if you're a loyal subscriber to my channel, then you already know how much I love JCPenney. JCPenney is my go-to one-stop shop for everything from fashion to beauty to home items, all that good stuff. JCPenney has it, so of course I hit up JCPenney to go back to school shopping. So for Princeton, I got some slim Arizona flex khaki shorts with an Arizona black palm muscle t-shirt, which also comes with a hood. I was also able to get this City Street backpack for only $7. I don't know if you know, but backpacks are super expensive, so to get a $7 backpack, that is a pretty good deal. Now let me let you in on a little secret. Princeton has a very slim figure, and it's really hard for us to find pants or shorts that fit his bottom because he has a very small waist and very thin legs. So he's a little self-conscious about that, but I love Arizona pants because they always come through. They come in slim and husky sizes, so finding shorts or pants are never hard to find when it comes to Princeton. Now for Liam, I got these Arizona knit jogger pants, which are always soft and comfy, along with a super cute mint green shirt with a little pineapple detail on the pocket. I loved it, and I absolutely had to get it when I saw it because I said that is definitely a Liam shirt, and Princeton agreed it's a Liam shirt. Now being that it's Liam's first time going to school and it's going to be a new environment for him, I want him to be as comfortable as possible, so I love choosing joggers and a nice t-shirt that's really on trend and stylish, and JCPenney definitely has a variety of those. I also love joggers because I know that if he goes to the restroom, he's not going to be fussing with a belt or a button or a zipper or anything like that, so I know for sure that it's going to be a really easy process when he goes to the restroom by himself for the first time without mommy. Now for Mav, I chose a super cute graphic tee with a truck on it that has donuts for tires. How cute is that? So I had to get it when I saw it because Mav loves trucks, he loves donuts, and I also chose some Okie Dokie joggers with the stripes on each side. And if you want to know what's really in this season, the athletic wear is really in. Kids are wearing things that are comfortable and very athletic, and joggers are just one of those things that are in right now. And you might not believe it, but I was actually able to get this outfit for under $10. Yes, JCPenney has the deals. I've been trying to tell y'all this. They have the deals. To make things even better, JCPenney now has bonus bucks. So for every $50 that you spend, you get $10, but that only lasts now through August 5th. And you'll be able to redeem those bonus bucks now through August 8th. So you definitely want to hurry up and take advantage of that deal, because I don't know about you, but I can go to JCPenney and get a lot for my dollar and then stack those bonus bucks on top of that, so you really get a good deal. So hopefully I gave you a few good ideas for back to school outfits, and I hope that I helped you make your back to school shopping experience super easy and affordable. And if you're really short on time, you can always visit www.jcpenney.com and shop online, get your bonus bucks, get the best deals, and you'll be done with back to school shopping. As always, thank you so much for watching my videos, and definitely don't forget to subscribe and join the family. In fact, go ahead and comment down below some of your best back to school advice. I want to hear it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.